My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm 28 years old and I've done over 8 figures selling on Amazon. And in today's video, I want to show you how I utilized Helium 10, an Amazon specific software tool, to help me scale to 8 figures selling on Amazon. So get ready to be talking about product research, product listing optimization, how to get more reviews, and all of the secret strategies that you need to use and implement to scale to 7 and even 8 figures. Let's get into it. All right, so let's dive right into it, cut the fluff, and get into those secret 8-figure Amazon FBA selling strategies while using Helium 10. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is actually sign up for Helium 10. I have a link down below where you guys can get a 20% coupon code for 6 months, which is a massive savings. And as we go through the different strategies, you're going to understand the power of Helium 10. And to be honest, if it wasn't for Helium 10, there's no way I would have had any success on Amazon. Helium 10 is going to eliminate the guesswork. It's going to help you automate processes and systems and help you basically take the heavy lifting, the manual work, and just click a few buttons to get the business up and going. So let's come over here, and the first thing that I want to talk about is product research. So product research is the first step to starting a successful FBA business. If you can't find a good product, if you don't understand how to pick a winning product versus picking a losing product, well, you're going to literally fail and land flat on your face. It's that simple. So let's focus on product research. Then we'll jump over to some listing optimization. We'll talk about some PPC optimization and also how to get some awesome 5-star reviews. So right here, as you can see, Helium 10 has a ton of tools. We're going to be using a tool called Black Box. So we're going to click on this, and from here, there's a bunch of different features inside Black Box in of itself. So you're going to click on the Products tab, and from here, we're going to scroll down, and we're going to be able to filter out certain filters, and Helium 10 is going to find us products that fit that criteria. So when it comes to finding a product, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to select a category. And this is where you're going to want to select a category that is not restricted, that's not gated, a category where you're eligible to sell in. So a few of those are going to be home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, office products, patio and lawn, pet supplies, sports and outdoors. So for me, I'm going to say, let's look into the sports and outdoors space. So we'll come over here. Then we're going to come to the sales price, and this is where the minimum price of the product is going to be $28, and we're going to say the maximum price is going to be $128. From here, we're going to do monthly revenue. We're going to say we want a product that is doing at least $11,348, and that just makes sure that the product that we're going to launch actually the people actually want. So that's the monthly revenue. Then we're going to come over here to the review count, and this is where we're going to basically gauge the competition. And we're going to say we're going to find a product that has a minimum of, or the maximum of 324 reviews. And then the review rating, we're going to find a product that has lower than 4.4 stars. And what this is going to do is if we can find a product that has low reviews and bad reviews, that means there's a hole in the market that we can go in and fix. So if they're selling a lot, they have low reviews, and they have bad reviews, well, that's a golden opportunity for us to capitalize on. And from there, we're going to come right here and hit search. And just like that, with a click of a few buttons, we're going to find hundreds of products that fit that criteria. As a matter of fact, it says 500 plus items. So from there, we're just going to scroll until we see something that we're like, okay, this is something that looks interesting, or this is something that I'm like, hey, I could potentially sell this. So we've got some boat covers, we've got a paddleboard cooler, we've got a trampoline pad replacement, so that's something that could be interesting. And these are products that you can click on, dive into, and just see like, hey, do they have potential or do they not? We've got Sprint's athletic running towel. So this is just a running towel that honestly is pretty basic, and I'm not sure why it's selling for $42, but they sold 50 of them last month. So maybe this is something that, like, honestly, this looks pretty simple. So like this is a basic towel that they are crushing it. So literally $42 for a towel, that seems outrageous. But anyways, that could be a potential product. And so that's what you're going to do. And I'm just going to continue scrolling through and see if I find anything. I'm like, oh, this is the winner. All right, so now I've been scrolling, and right here I came across this pickleball court marking kit. And I'm coming over here. It sells for $60. They've done $20,000. And look at the review rating. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to click on this, and it's going to take me to Amazon, to their product listing page. You're going to see that they sold 100 plus last month, and they have a 3.0 star rating, with only 169 reviews. And so from here, I'm going to be like, okay, this looks like just an amazing opportunity. Like I know for a fact I can come right here, pickleball court marking kit. That's what I'm going to search. And as you can see, it's right here. They're ranking on the first page. They have terrible reviews, and there's not really that much competition. So we've got this one right here. They have 6 reviews, which is low. This one has bad reviews. We've got this one with 44 reviews, and these people are selling 100 plus. So right here, I'm like, okay, I play pickleball. I know pickleball is just growing, and I just found a goldmine of an opportunity by using Helium 10 Black Box. And so from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the X-Ray Chrome extension, and this is where I'm going to do my keyword research. And this is where I'm going to find the best keywords when it comes to my product listing, so my title, my bullet points, my description, and also utilizing these keywords to integrate into my PPC campaigns when it comes time to actually launching my product. So right here, like these sellers are crushing it, doing $20,000, $30,000, and they have terrible reviews. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the product that I'm looking at, the pickleball court marking kit. So here are a few of them. So we got 3 of them selected. And as you can see, this one's doing 6K, this one's doing 7K, this one's doing 20K, which is just crazy. And I'm going to hit Run Cerebro. From here, this is doing what's called a reverse ASIN lookup. Again, this is the power of Helium 10. You don't need to understand how this works, but basically what it's doing is it's going in and finding where these products are ranking on the first page of Amazon. And to find where they're ranking on the first page, we're going to come over here to this position rank, and we're going to say 1 to 25. And basically, this is where they are at in position on the first page. Basically, they're either 1 or they're 25, somewhere in between that. We are not looking for position rank 40, 50, 100, because that means they could be on page 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. We don't want that. And so as you can see, we've got 910 keywords, but again, we want to find where they're at on the first page. So I'm going to hit Apply Filters from that position rank. And right here, there's 77 keywords that these 3 sellers are ranking for, which is just crazy. We've got 77 keywords to look at. From here, we're going to come to the search volume, and we're going to sort this from largest to smallest. And as you can see, we've got this pickleball court marking kit. It's being searched 3,400 times. We got pickleball court being searched 2,900 times. Pickleball lines 1,500. We've got portable pickleball court being searched 1,300. Pickleball lines for outdoor court is being searched again 1,100 times. So we have a ton of solid keywords for us to be able to use and build a listing, and not just any listing, but the best, most optimized listing. So from there, we're going to come over here to export data. We're going to come to open to Frankenstein. And from here, it's going to basically get all of the keywords. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take like the first 20 or so, probably the first 20, 30 keywords. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to come over here to the other tools that Helium 10 offers, and we're going to come to Scribbles. This is our listing optimizer, and this is going to help us actually craft the perfect listing. So I'm going to paste these keywords right here. I'm going to hit apply, and just like that, it's going to break it down. And from here, we'll be able to track exactly what we are putting in our title, bullet points, and description, and making sure that we're including all of those keywords. So from here, I'm going to start creating a title. I'm going to start creating my bullet points. And one kind of pro tip that you can actually use is ChatGPT to actually generate the product listing. And from there, once you create the title and the bullet points and the description using ChatGPT, you plug it into here, and you make sure that it is checking off all of those keywords that we utilize. And I'll show you guys an example. So we'll come over here, and this is the listing of our competitors, and I'm going to hit paste right here. And as you can see, they don't have some of the most keywords in their title. They don't have pickleball lines. They don't have pickleball lines for outdoor court. They don't have pickleball court tape. They don't have pickleball court lines. So we're talking about they're missing out on a lot of keywords that are not integrated into their title. So once you create that title, you're going to do the same exact thing with the bullet points. So we're going to come over here and see if their bullet points are utilizing any keywords. So I'm going to copy this first one, come back over here to Scribbles, and obviously you're going to generate your own bullet points, but I'm just showing you guys that one of their bullet points is only utilizing one keyword. That's trash. That means there is a lot to improve when it comes to listing optimization and utilizing Helium 10 to best optimize. That is basically how you're going to do it and destroy your competition. So we just found an incredible product that has a lot of potential, and the competition that we're going against has terrible reviews. They're not very well optimized. They don't have videos in their listing. Like, they're missing out on a lot of potential sales, and they just might not know what they're doing when it comes to Amazon because they're not watching this YouTube channel. So I hope you guys are enjoying, and if you are, make sure to subscribe. And let's move to that next step. So now that we've found the product, we've created and optimized a listing when it comes to the best keywords. I showed you guys how to find the keywords, how to create good title, description, bullet points. And now what we're going to do is we're going to talk a little bit about PPC. So what we're going to do next is we're going to come back to this keyword list, and these are the keywords that we're going to put into our PPC campaign. So you can create a manual keyword targeting campaign that includes these keywords. So you have 77 of them, and you'll want to go through and see, like, okay, do some of these make sense or do they not? So like sports court probably doesn't make sense, so I'm going to delete that. A11N, that's a brand name, so I'm going to delete that for now. We've got a pickle net that doesn't make sense, so I'm going to delete that. And basically, I'm going to go through, and I bet this 77 keywords is going to get whittled down to probably like 45, 50. And those are the keywords that I'm going to be putting in my PPC campaign when it comes time to launch my product. So that is straight gold right there. And I'm going to give you guys one more secret strategy when it comes to getting 5-star reviews. And again, it's going to be using a tool inside Helium 10, and it is the follow-up tool. So I'm going to click this follow-up button, and it's going to take me to a dashboard that looks like this, and this is where it's tracking my product review ratings. Basically, what this tool does is, like I mentioned, it's an automation that every time you get an order, it is going to go in and request a review. So as you can see, it says 818 orders delivered, and out of those orders delivered, they've requested 612, and I've received 30 reviews, which is about a 3.67% conversion rate. And to be honest, on Amazon, that's pretty phenomenal. And so for not doing anything extra, just having this automation, I added an extra 30 reviews to my FBA business. Now, there's other strategies to get and acquire reviews, so that's not just the only reviews that I've received. This is just from this one single strategy utilizing Helium 10. So Helium 10 literally has every single tool for you to go and scale to a 7- and 8-figure Amazon FBA business. You just need to understand how to utilize them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this in-depth tutorial, product research, listing optimization, utilizing those keywords in the listings and your PPC campaigns, utilizing Helium 10 follow-up to get more reviews. This is going to put you that much closer to building the business of your dreams. Amazon has changed my life over the last several years, and I know it can change your life too if you just follow the steps of people that have blazed the trail before. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Learn from somebody that is in the trenches. And if you guys want additional help, if you want me to help you through the entire process, I'd love to get on a free consultation call, go over how we can help you, how we can find you a product, how we can craft the listing for you, how we can do all the heavy lifting so that you don't have to do it. If that's something that you're interested in, I'll put the link down below. But regardless, take advantage of Helium 10 and use it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm excited to hear your guys' success when it comes to selling on Amazon. And let me know in the comments down below if there's anything else that you want me to cover. I have tons of videos for you to take advantage of so that you guys can go start your own successful FBA business. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one.